Hey, this is how to make the best chicken wings at home using an air fryer. What you're gonna need for this simple recipe is nice chicken wings that you prepared, some Tabasco sauce, we go for the smoked, and some seasonings, which is white flour, chili, salt and pepper. Start by mixing your white flour with the seasonings. Pour some of the mix onto the chicken wings. Mix everything in so that it's nicely coated. If you feel like you need a little bit more, just add some more. And start mixing. Next, you want a brand new bowl that you're gonna transfer your coated chicken wing in. The reason why you need a brand new bowl is because you don't want the Tabasco to be absorbed by the extra mix. Now, add your Tabasco on your chicken wings. But you need quite a lot. You want them to be well coated, and now you mix them all in really nicely. Just put your wings into the air fryer pan, just one layer, and just freeze the rest for some other time. For freezing, put them in a bag in one layer. If you want to cook them after they're frozen during the week, just put them in the air fryer frozen, but add 5 minutes to the cooking time. It's okay if they touch a little bit because they will shrink, and try to leave the middle open so you got good airflow. We're going to flip them twice, so you want to put them first with the skin side up because the skin has to get more heat. Set the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. That's the first cook. Put your wings in. The first 10 minutes are up, so remove the tray and flip them over. The second 10 minutes are up. We're gonna take them out, flip them one more time, and put them back in for 5 more minutes. Okay, now the waiting time is done. This is what they look like when they're done. They're delicious. Okay, hope this helped. Bye.